All right, we're moving right along and we're gonna go ahead and work on plotting numbers on a real number line. We're still in section 1.1 and we're gonna talk about the real number line. So the real number line is basically just gonna be the line where all the real numbers live, okay? It goes infinitely left, infinitely right. You've definitely seen this before. Anything to the left of the origin, in this case, on the real number line, the origin is going to be the number 0. Anything to the left is going to be negative. Anything to the right is going to be positive, okay? It doesn't matter if it's all the way over here or if it's right over here, right next to 0 on the right, it's still going to be positive. Same thing, but flipped for negative, okay? A couple things to remember. Left means less, okay? The more left something is, the less it is, okay? Even if the number itself is bigger. So for example, -3, technically the number 3 is bigger than the number 2, but -3 is gonna be less than -2 because it's more left than -2, okay? So this sometimes gets people a little bit mixed up. Hopefully it doesn't get you mixed up, but a good way to remember it is with money, right? If you have a negative 1,000 in your bank account, right? That's going to be a lot better than having a negative 10,000 in your bank account, right? The more negative something is, the less you have because it's going to be the more that you actually owe the bank, okay? Now, I don't think any bank will let you overdraft that much, but just go ahead and remember money when it comes to the number line, and that'll help you out if you get mixed up, okay? Remember that any point on the number line is gonna be exactly one real number, okay? Points are gonna be exactly 1 point, not a range, okay, on the number line. So if I make a point right here, that's gonna be a point between -1 and -2. If I make it right in between them, that's gonna be -1.5, okay? Remember, the more left you go, the less it becomes, even though the numbers get bigger, okay? So that's pretty much it for that. On example 2, you're gonna go ahead and work out question C, where you're gonna plot -3/2 on the real number line. Go ahead and do that problem, and then the video is gonna go ahead and finish, but you're gonna do problem example 2. I wrote it out here. Go ahead and do it, and then we move on to the next video.